Hiya, my name's Peter Timperon. I farm with my parents and my brother Andrew at Barrock Side Farm just outside Carlisle. This year we'll be putting 600 calves through the JFC calf feeder. We decided to go with the 4-stall JFC Evolution. When I come down to the calf shed in the morning, I'll probably spend half an hour just basically looking around and making sure everything's okay. I go to the control unit first, make sure everything looks okay, make sure there's enough powder in the hoppers, basically check the traffic light system. The traffic light system works great. All I look for is a green tick, basically. If something has an amber tick, I know to check it, have a look at its last feed, how long is it taking to have its allocation. If we have a batch of 20 calves, 25 calves in a pen, we're very happy that they're all evenly batched by the time it comes to weaning. The calves are on 6 litres a day, 2 litres 3 times a day. We just use one type of powder at the moment, but we can use 2. We've been thinking about swapping our existing calf feeder. We knew that Spare Farmers had the agency for JFC, so I gave James a call and he took us to see a couple and we went from there. We were introduced to the machine by James at Spare Farmers. We dealt with him for the last 10 years with the previous machine. We knew the backup would be good, so we decided to go with him. It's great to know that whatever time of day or night I can ring a Spare Farmers. We're really happy with the JFC feeder. We're happy with the Spare Farmers and James, the way they've looked after us. If anybody in the Carlisle area is looking for a calf feeder, can't recommend them enough.